Subtracting positive and negative integers. Let's take a look at our first problem. We have 12 minus 7. The way we can represent positive numbers is by using these yellow chips here. So, for example, 12 can be represented by 12 of these yellow chips. So, in terms of chips, what does it mean to have 12 minus 7? The way I like to think of it is, we're starting off with 12 yellow chips, and for me, subtraction means to take away. So I'm starting with 12, and I'm going to take away 7 chips. So let's go ahead and take away 7, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 12 minus 7, and we have 5 left over. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. Let's take a look at our next problem. We have negative 9 minus negative 3. Remember that we can represent negative numbers using these red chips. So this negative 9 means we're starting off with 9 of these red chips. What does this problem mean in terms of our tiles? This problem means starting with negative 9, we want to take away 3 red chips. So starting with 9 red chips, take away 3 of them. So let's go ahead and do that. Take away 1, take away 2, and take away 3. So looks like we're left with 6 red chips left over. So negative 9 minus negative 3, 9 take away 3. We have 6 red chips left over, negative 6. Taking a look at our next problem, we have 2 minus 3. What does this problem mean in terms of our chips? This is telling us that we're starting off with 2 yellow chips, and I want to take away 3 yellow chips. So let's go and try that. Take away 1, take away 2, take away... Do you guys notice that we went into a problem? What problem did we run into? Do we have enough chips that we can drag away here? Not quite. So let's go and take a look at a similar situation. So take a look at this problem here. 2 minus 3. Does our initial board still start off with 2? Yes, right? So even though we have a plus and a minus here, notice that this is a 0 pair. These are going to cancel out. So technically we are starting off with 2. So now with our new setup, let's go and try to see if we can take away 3. So 2 minus 3, 2 yellow chips, and I'm going to take away 3 yellow chips. 1, 2, 3. And whatever's left over is our answer. So 2 minus 3 looks like I have a negative red chip left behind. So one useful thing about 0 pairs, if we run out of chips to take away, we can use a 0 pair to give us more chips to deal with. Taking a look at our next problem, we have negative 4, take away negative 6. So I'm starting off with 4 red chips. Taking a look at our board here, do you guys agree? Are we starting off with negative 4? Notice that, again, after these cancel out, we still have only negative 4 at the start. So now let's take away 6 red chips. So taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Notice that 6 red chips are taken away, and whatever's left over is our answer. So negative 4 take away 6. We're left with 2 positive chips left over. So in conclusion, we can think of subtraction as taking away. The number in front is telling us how many chips we're starting with, and whatever's after the minus sign is what we're taking away. We can either drag yellow chips off the mat, or we can take away red chips off the mat.